Hi guys, I'm Jasmine and I'm here today to formally introduce myself because so far I've just been on here putting boob tape tutorials up. So I just want to tell you guys that I'm Jasmine. On my page, you're going to see a little bit of boutique boob tape tutorials, and then you're going to see a little bit of hair because I'm a salon and spa owner, but I also have an online boutique. And we specialize in professional clothes that kind of transition into night, a lot of salon wear, just cute casual wear as well. But I'm here today to give you guys a tutorial on my True Lift breast tape. So TikTok won't let me post the start to finish videos like I've been doing because they say it's sexual nudity. I would like to post them like that just to build you guys' trust and so that you can actually see that I'm using the tape, how to use the tape, so I can post more start to finish videos on YouTube, and on here I'd have to post them with clothes on. Okay, so today I have on a crop top. Y'all know the weather's warming up, so today I have on a crop top, and I thought this would be the perfect day to show you guys how I applied this tape with this type of top. So I use my True Lift tape in Noir. We have 3 colors. We have Noir, Mocha, and Bear, and we did just restock, so check that out, guys. And how I accomplished this look, so I measured from the top of my shoulder until the bottom of my breast, and that gives me about this much tape. Typically, I roll it in some because the tape stretches, and in order to get the lift that you need some tension. So when I lift up on my breast, I'm able to get that tension so that I can get this kind of lift, all right? So you definitely want to make sure you cut it just a tad bit, maybe. I took 2 and went from the bottom to the top as such, like this. I did 2 like that, and then I came in on the side. So I was telling you guys in one of my other videos that if you go in on the side and here and pull up on the breast, that you're able to push in, and that's how you create the cleavage. You can already see it here. So if you go from here, lift up, come in on that side, that's how you're able to get good cleavage, okay? 3 strips is all I needed for this top, and I'm a triple D. I'm going to come back with as many tutorials as I can with different tops on to try to show you how I did it. It's hard to show with the top on, but